Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a Nissan 370Z, guys, and you have a key fob that looks like that, you need to remove and replace your key fob battery. Stay with us, we're going to cover everything from start to finish. If you have, guys, the one with the 3 or 4 button key remote, okay, it should be the same procedure for both of them. If you guys need to buy the battery, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. You can see the battery number as well, guys. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, we guys make at least 200 videos. We take them apart, we show you how to fix things, pretty much anything, guys. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys, so we can keep providing these free videos to you. Let me show you guys what we have here. This is the remote, okay? I'll get the remote. You may have the 3 or 4 button remote, but the procedure should be the same for all of them, guys. That's what it looks like, and we're going to go ahead and cover everything today from start to finish, how to actually remove and replace that battery, guys. So we're going to come right here so I can show you with great detail. As you know, guys, if your car battery dies and you need to manually unlock your car, you can, guys, actually release the mechanical key, and you will need to do that to replace the battery too. You slide that thing up. Okay, and while it's up, you pull the key out. Okay, just like that, you can see. Once you guys pull the key out, now right here usually you have a place where you can pry the two halves apart. Okay, but this screwdriver is a little bit bigger. I'll try with a small one. Okay, perfect. And pry them out. You can see just like that. So once you guys do that, you take them apart, and here on the inside, that's where you're going to find the battery. This is the new replacement one. You're going to go ahead, guys, okay, and pry it out. And now it's important how you install it, guys. Let me explain that quick. And again, if you need to buy a new battery, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Now, right here, that metal plate, this is the positive side where the battery contacts. So you need to go in an angle, okay, like that, and slide it in. Make sure that this metal plate is around the battery, guys, and once you do that, okay, you're going to go ahead, align everything, inspect, make sure that you don't have any dust, dirt, or anything like that stuck on the seal. Align everything really good and start closing it until it closes on each side. It will need to be pressed in, guys, and you hear the click. Perfect. Once you're done with that, okay, you're ready to go ahead and install your key just by pushing in. You can see just like that. Then if you want to see more videos, guys, we have another channel called World Mechanics. Check it out. You can find more information there as well. So that's how you guys remove and replace the key fob battery on Nissan 370Z. If you have any questions or you want to see any specific videos, guys, leave a comment below, and that way we'll get an idea, guys, and we'll try to make a video in the future. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.